Hey guys, this is Donna with Donna Coker, Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I just wanted to come on and give a little update since I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I've been, everybody's been busy with the holidays, but I've also been having some health issues. My central tremor has been pretty bad, and the internal tremors have been, well, you can kind of hear it in my throat, but they've been pretty bad, and so I have spent most of the time in the bed because they are completely exhausting. I do have people that the soap continues to get made, but they don't do videos. So we did release the oatmeal milk and honey bath and shave bar, the Lady Legs bar. It got really good reviews from customers. The lemongrass and sage and the tea tree, all of those got really good reviews. I've used them all, of course, and so I really like them as well. I also use all of my products, so I've been using my lotions and body mist too, and I finally made it to the blueberry swirl lotion. And I've been seeing some really great results from my lotion. I usually have really dry, cracked heels in the winter, and I mean, I'm not saying it's from that, but I'm just saying I haven't had that problem. So, but anyway, I just wanted to do a little update. I'm still alive. I tried to look half decent for this video. You could probably tell I don't feel well at all, but I'm trying to get back up on my feet, and I really miss making soap myself. We're going to be having some new scents for the spring and summer come out, and I'm got to start working on those designs. I should have already been doing that, but I just have not been able to do it. We're going to have scents like Golden Sands, Coconut Bliss, Sea Salt Blossom, gardenia, jasmine, honeysuckle, things like that. So I did a survey in several groups, and those were some of the scents that people seem to like. So those are some of the things that we're going to go with. And we'll also continue to have the Love Potion, which is Love Spell inspired, the lemongrass, the oatmeal milk and honey. All of those will stay. Of course, the seasonal scents will go away for now, like the chocolate and the peppermint and things like that. But anyway, I'm not going to keep you any longer. I just wanted to do a little update video and to let everybody know I'm still here. I'm trying to, like, I'm holding my hands together down here because, like I said, my central tremor, they're not doing real great, but I always get back on the horse, and I plan to do it again this time. But anyway, guys, I hope to be uploading some soap making videos soon, and I hope you'll hang in there with me. Thanks. Bye.